So we just finished Mario's IndoRaptor paint. Now about to do some exhaust. Walt's gonna crank it up and let you hear the cold start with the factory exhaust. Now the factory exhaust for the Raptor does have a nice growl to it, but we're gonna do the Borla S-Type. It's that mid-level as far as aggressive sound. Can't wait to show you guys the final result. Appreciate it, Walt. So we just wrapped up the Borla S-Type. So versus the Borla Attack, the S-Type is definitely not quite as loud. I really like this tone. If I was gonna put an exhaust on my IndoRaptor, it would be the S-Type. Not obnoxious, but still you can definitely tell it's back there. It gives a little more race-inspired rumble. Like to do an inside shot too of So Mario, on the exhaust, you're gonna love this, man. That Borla Attack's very loud. It's almost too much. So I know that me and you are on the same page as far as what exhaust tone we're looking for. So the Borla S-Type is money. Love the sound. You're gonna love it too.